Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Tonight we have flank steak pinwheels on the Oklahoma Joe. This is a quick homage to our very first YouTube video I think we did. Going back a few years. 3 years. So if you want to see how far we've come along, we used to translate for our Spanish speaking friends, or I should say Triple M used to translate because I wasn't translating. And the first video was this way. You guys hopefully go back, we'll put a link here for that first video. This is just a recap of how far we came. What do we need for our flank steak pinwheels? I'm gonna saute some onions and green peppers. So I got 1 onion and half a green pepper, some spinach for the filling, provolone cheese. I'm gonna go with the Meat Church Holy Cow for the salt, for the SPG, but this has paprika and some other things for coloring. Obviously a flank steak. Did I mention the provolone cheese? And some skewers. So this should be relatively quick and simple for us. We'll see you at the next steps. First things first, I'm gonna saute off my onions and soften up the peppers a little bit. So a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And add in our onions. I'm gonna sweat these down a lot, and then I'll add the peppers. This is the filling. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Just hopefully the color's coming out. Triple M already walked in and said it smells good. I'm gonna add just some salt to draw out the moisture of the onions, and of course to season the onions. But go a few more minutes. Hopefully you guys are seeing the color. So it's nice and soft. Now I'm gonna add in the peppers and get these soft as well. But I wanted to give the onions a head start.
That's it.
And this is just the filling.
Can't wait.
You remember making that first video?
I remember.
Be right back, guys. Onions and peppers are going. Got my flank steak. I'm gonna butterfly this. It's important to note the grain of the beef. So the grains are going this way. You'll see why when we get to the next steps. The grain's going this way, but I'm gonna get the sharpest knife I have, and I'm gonna attempt to do a good job at butterflying this without cutting myself. I can butterfly it and cut myself. Actually, let's do it this way. Actually, I should just do it this way, right? I'll work on that. That's a good start. Onions and peppers are done, yes? I'm gonna drop the heat, get it off the heat because I wanna cool this off. I'm not gonna put this in there. We still gotta get the grill going, so I got time to heat this up, but I wanted to show you the grain, right? So if you think about it, I'm gonna make pinwheels. So I'm gonna roll this up like this, and then I'm gonna slice it, the pinwheels like this, and that's gonna go against the grain when I'm eating it. So you wanna make sure you work it out this way. If I were to do it this way and then roll it up, it's gonna be chewier when I eat it. So always against the grain, like our skirt steaks.
Okay.
Be right back. We're back inside. We just got the grill going. I'm gonna put a nice coating of this Holy Cow, Meat Church Holy Cow. When Rosie and Dave were here with us and we went to Buc-ee's, I picked this up and Rosie said, "Dave, get yourself a bottle so we can taste like Mike." That's the outside. Obviously, I'm gonna roll it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place our gorgeous onion and pepper filling throughout. It smells good already, right? course, some provolone cheese. Have we made a deep dish pizza on the channel yet? We should make one like we used to do for Christmas.
You did.
I did?
Yeah.
I like deep dish pizzas. So provolone. And what's Marcus?
Don't be cheap.
And I actually put one more piece here, just for the family here. Actually, we'll do this better like this. I'm intentionally leaving this over so when I roll over, and then of course, last but not least, the spinach. There may be too much spinach, but we'll get creative. We'll get creative. And then time to roll it up. Tight. I'll be right back. Now we're gonna take our metal skewers that you guys saw when we did the shish kebab video, and I'm gonna put these through. That's gonna be a retarded piece, but we'll figure it out. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this differently because they're so long.
I know, that's what you're gonna say.
Change of plans because they're gonna come out differently. Gonna slice. Oh no. Nope. It's a culito, so it doesn't make a difference, right?
What que tú vas a hacer?
Do it this way, and then come across. This way. Triple M is trying to say, make sure I get the end.
Because it will hold it together. You don't have the end?
Like
No,
that.
you don't have the end in the last one. Oh yeah, you did.
So we'll try like that. How's that? I'm gonna come up with another plan. Right back, guys. So if you think we're not cooking on this channel, we had to come up with a plan of attack to do the pinwheels so that they would stay formed. So we just got some saran wrap. Triple M was on that side and covered it. So I'm gonna just slice now. I'll do this side.
Always look for the end. Oh my God,
That's better.
that's beautiful.
Comment down below if there's a better way of doing this. that's actually coming out good.
I think you got the best way. Obviously, we don't do this every day.
You mean we don't do this every single day?
No.
Done, right?
That's perfect.
And then to her point, she wanted me to make sure, that's why we paused, to calculate where the bottom was, to do like this. Right?
Yes. Now I put that all together because now we gotta get rid of the plastic.
Oh, yeah. That's why she's the CEO. Plastic? What plastic?
We're gonna do it in plastic.
I'm gonna do one with 3. There you go. Stopped. Triple M had to come with her smaller fingers and get rid of the saran wrap. But now I'm gonna get them on a plate because I think the best bet for it from here, and I know I did in the last video, I put it in the freezer actually, is to get them out of here and put them in the fridge so they can solidify. The problem is it got so warm in here.
Good.
Gonna put this in the fridge, get the grill ready, and we'll meet back outside. We're outside. This looks familiar, and the fire's going. And we're gonna go ahead and get these on. This should go really quick, maybe 2 minutes aside. We don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So I'll grab one. Getting in the refrigerator for a few minutes really did help. We'll let that go for about 2 minutes and we'll check it and go from there. Here we go. Lid off. Color's after what we're after. Now, a matter of flipping it without destroying it.
Good.
That's looking good.
Color.
2 more minutes. We'll be right back. Two minutes are up. How's that looking?
Good.
So before we assume stuff, let's go ahead and get this off the fire. The beauty of the Oklahoma Joe, I can get off the fire and start testing. We're at 109, so we can go a few more minutes. This one needs a lot more color. Oh no, he's actually good. All right, so we're gonna adjust this. All the ones that were there. My tongs, please. Yeah. It's okay. Gonna go literally 30, 40 more seconds. We're hovering around 116, 117 across them. And I'd like to start resting 125. So a couple more minutes, well, 45 more seconds and we'll take it off. We're done. We'll get this off. We'll grab our platter and take these beauties off. Triple M was worried about all the filling coming off. How's that?
Good.
Important to remember, rest, rest, rest. A, so you don't burn your mouth, but you want the juices to redistribute it. So we'll be back in a few, guys. We're back inside. We took thumbnail pictures. Triple M took thumbnail pictures outside in the sun. Remember last week we had the lawn cutting?
Yeah.
But anyways, we're back inside. I picked the one that I think is gonna be the best finished because these are perfect medium. This is perfect medium well, and these are Alicia's because she does not like any pink inside.
Yeah.
These two are ours. So I'll take mine, and if you wanna have yours, you can do that. But we've already got our pictures. Can I go in? Mm-hmm. How does it smell?
Delicious. I can wait.
Look at that. Is that good finish?
Mm-hmm. That's perfect.
And the onions, the peppers, the cheese, the spinach.
How is it?
It's delicious. Mark is in Indiana right now because I said a few videos, Jacob and Al's getting married. Mm-hmm. They called me for some advice on cooking a steak. They made like 3-4 steaks. They had steaks. I told them how to do it. I told them how to do reverse sear steak, which is our favorite way of doing it. They truly enjoyed it. I think his fiance likes well done steak. It's like, I told him just make a hamburger. Anyways, they went out to dinner the next day for their rehearsal dinner. They ordered steaks. Which steaks are better?
Yours.
Michael's Kitchen Steaks. This is straight fire. You want to taste one? Come on over.
Hi.
You got medium, well done.
No, you know I'm gonna go for medium.
Get some of the onions and the cheese and the spinach.
Okay, like that. Tender, juicy.
Tender, juicy,
There's sazon.
and seasoned. And you thought it was gonna be too spicy. If you like the video, guys, like the video. Comment down below that you want to try to make. Subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
subscribe, share, guys. We'll see you next Friday.
Oh, baby, that's good. The other one's mine?
This little one is yours. Where's Carolyn's?